talk about your weekend in English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Bo English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. I'm Anna, and today I'm extra energetic because I had a wonderful cup of coffee this morning.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. Every time we sit down to record, I feel excited, especially when the topic is something everybody loves, the weekend.
Yes, talking about weekends always puts me in a good mood. It's like reliving the happy moments all over again.
Absolutely. So, Anna, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, really great. My weekend was wonderful. Honestly, I wish weekends lasted 3 days.
Me too. In fact, I think we should start a petition for a 3-day weekend.
If only.
And I think that is our topic today, right?
Yes, exactly. Today we're going to talk about the weekend, how to talk about your weekend in simple, everyday English.
It's such a common question. On Monday morning, at school, at work, online, everyone asks, how was your weekend?
And people love answering it because weekends are full of stories. Funny stories, relaxing stories, surprising stories.
And chocolate stories, but I'll save that for later. But before we start, we have a small request for our listeners.
If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to give us a like. It really helps us continue making lessons for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel so you never miss a new episode. And of course, share this with your friends who are learning English.
Your support is amazing, truly.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Tom, let's jump in. How was your weekend?
It was really nice, thank you. A little busy, but in a good way.
Busy weekends can be fun. What did you do on Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, my family and I went to the shopping mall.
Oh, the mall. I love the mall. I'm one of those people who can walk around for hours just looking at things.
Same here, but the mall can be dangerous for my wallet.
Oh, yes. Did you buy anything? New shoes, new clothes?
No, we didn't buy anything, not even a coffee. We just walked.
Ah, walking and looking around.
Yes, that's called window shopping.
Window shopping, a great way to enjoy the mall without spending money.
Exactly. We looked at clothing stores, toy stores, even some new tech shops.
Did your kids want to buy everything?
Of course, kids always want to buy everything shiny or colorful, but we agreed it was a just-looking morning.
That's impressive.
And after walking around, we treated ourselves to ice cream.
Now that is a Saturday. What flavor?
Chocolate, obviously.
Of course, chocolate is the best flavor in the universe.
Oh, something funny happened at the mall. My daughter saw a huge teddy bear, bigger than she is, and she hugged it like it was her long-lost best friend.
Aw, that's adorable.
She refused to let go for 3 full minutes. I thought we might have to buy it, but thankfully she said, "Daddy, let's come back when I'm big enough to carry it home myself."
I love kids' logic. Okay, so that was your morning. My Saturday morning was completely different. I didn't go to the mall.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
That already sounds peaceful.
It was beautiful. The weather was sunny and warm, the perfect park day.
I love that kind of weather. What did you do there?
I rode my bicycle.
Really? You have a bicycle?
Yes, an old blue one. Really old, but I love it. Old bicycles have a kind of personality.
I feel the same about my old bike.
And my son has a small red bicycle, so we rode together through the park.
That sounds adorable.
He kept ringing his little bike bell, ding, 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 every 10 seconds. He said he was warning the birds.
Responsible cyclist.
After cycling, we sat under a big tree. The shade was perfect. We relaxed, listened to the sounds of nature, and watched people walking their dogs.
I love moments like that. No rush, no schedule.
So you were at the busy mall with noise and crowds.
And you were at the quiet park with sunshine and birds.
2 very different mornings.
Both beautiful in their own way.
Okay, what about Saturday night? Did you relax?
No, not at all.
Really? Why not?
My Saturday night was loud.
Did you go to a concert?
No, worse. I went to a children's birthday party.
Oh no, a kid's party. That explains everything.
It was my nephew's 5th birthday. There were, I don't know, maybe 20 kids?
20 children together is basically a small hurricane.
Exactly. They were running, playing games, shouting, throwing balloons, bursting balloons, chasing each other.
Classic party chaos.
One boy even tried to climb into the gift box pile.
Why do kids love boxes so much?
I don't know, but the best part was the cake, a giant chocolate cake.
You had chocolate ice cream in the morning and chocolate cake at night? You had a full chocolate weekend.
Yes, a dangerous but delicious combination.
My Saturday night was very different. It was quiet. My husband and I went to a small Japanese restaurant.
That sounds romantic.
We had sushi, and not just regular sushi. We tried a new roll with avocado, mango, and crispy shrimp. It was amazing.
Now I'm hungry. We sat by the window and watched the city lights. It was peaceful and calm, the opposite of your party.
Quiet dinners are magical. So that was Saturday. What about Sunday?
Ah, Sunday, my day of rest.
You definitely needed rest after that party.
Yes, my Sunday was very lazy.
Lazy Sundays are the best Sundays.
I stayed in my pajamas for a long time.
Pajama hours should be an official rule on Sundays.
I agree. In the afternoon, we stayed home and watched movies.
What did you watch?
A comedy, a silly one, but we laughed a lot.
Did you have popcorn?
Of course, a huge bowl.
My son laughed so loudly that the neighbor knocked on the wall. Not angry, just laughing too.
That is adorable. And after the kids went to bed, my wife and I watched a TV series.
Let me guess, you said just one episode?
Exactly. And then we watched 3. That happens to everyone.
Sunday was also peaceful. In the morning, we went to church.
A nice Sunday morning routine.
The music was beautiful this week. After the service, we talked with some families we know. It's always nice to connect with people before the week begins.
That sounds lovely.
After church, we went home and had a big Sunday lunch. Roast chicken, salad, potatoes.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
It was. Then in the afternoon, I rested and read a book.
Reading is one of the most relaxing things on earth.
Especially on a quiet Sunday afternoon.
Did you watch a movie too?
Yes, in the evening, we watched a family movie together.
See, Sunday is movie day for everyone.
You know what I love about weekends? They remind us to slow down.
Exactly. Weekdays are full of responsibilities. Weekends give us a chance to breathe.
And spend time with family.
Or eat chocolate cake.
Or ride bicycles in the park.
Or enjoy a quiet sushi dinner.
I think people enjoy talking about their weekends because each weekend has a little story in it.
Yes, even small moments like eating ice cream become memories.
Exactly. And asking, how was your weekend, is an easy way to start a friendly conversation.
At work, at school, online, it's universal.
And simple English too.
It was great.
It was busy.
It was relaxing.
Then add details.
Yes, like I went to the mall, or I rode my bicycle.
Let's give our listeners a few sample sentences they can use.
Good idea.
I had a calm and peaceful weekend.
I spent time with my family.
I tried a new restaurant.
I watched a funny movie.
Or, I slept a lot.
I cleaned the house.
I did some gardening.
I visited friends.
Weekends are full of possibilities.
We really covered a lot today.
Yes, malls, parks, sushi, birthday cakes, movies.
And balloons. Lots of balloons.
You will never forget those balloons.
Never.
Oh, I forgot to mention something about my Saturday morning.
Tell me.
At the park, while we were sitting under the tree, a small dog walked over and sat right next to my son. Just sat there, like they were old friends.
Aw, that's adorable.
The owner was laughing because apparently the dog only chooses calm people, so my son felt very honored.
He should. Dogs know good people. Actually, something unexpected also happened at the kids' party.
Tell me everything.
There was a magic show.
A magician?
Yes, and he made a balloon animal for every kid. But for adults, he made balloon hats.
Did you wear one?
Unfortunately, yes. I had a giant blue balloon hat shaped like a giraffe.
I need pictures immediately.
So, to summarize, my weekend was loud, colorful, full of chocolate, balloons, and magic giraffe hats.
And mine was calm, sunny, peaceful, and delicious.
Both perfect in their own way.
Absolutely. And we hope our listeners learned some new English expressions today.
And feel more confident answering, how was your weekend?
Because everyone can talk about the weekend. You just have to remember the past tense. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, write about your weekend.
Tell us, did you relax? Did you go somewhere? Did you eat something delicious?
We love reading your answers. It's honestly our favorite part of this podcast.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us more than you know.
Thank you so much for listening today. It was a pleasure as always.
We hope you have a wonderful weekend ahead.
And an even better weekend.
Until next time, bye for now.